Hello kids. So again here we are with the third chapter of your subject EVS, and the name of the chapter is Chotu's house. As you all know that it is the second lecture. In the previous lecture we have read about the family, types of the family, and how do we understand about the family relations. Now, in this lecture, we will solve the book exercises, whatever is given to you. If in your book the space is given, you can just fill into your book with the pencil, there is no issue. So, the first question is of the same chapter. Just come on the page number 25. You will come to know that the first question is given here, that draw or paste the picture of your family. Student, this is a very simple activity. Either you have to draw with the pencil and eraser the sketch of your family if your drawing is good, otherwise you can also paste the picture of your family. Better you try to draw with the pencil, show your creativity, number of the family members, and also mention that who are they. Clear? So it is for you. Just draw the family pictures of your family with by yourself, or paste it if you have any picture of your family. Now the second one is, who all are there in your family? Write the names and how they are related to you. Student, this question may vary from each the students, because everyone is having different family members. Suppose I am having in my family members I am having my mother, father, my two brother, and one my elder sister. So I will write the name of my mother, father, two brothers, and my elder sisters, and my name also as a myself. Okay, and then I will write here the relationship. Suppose I have written here the name of my father, and relationship I will write here father. Okay, I wrote here the name of my mother, and relationship I wrote here mother. Brother's name and brother. In the same way you will write just the name of your family members. Another example I can say that, suppose there is a student whose name is Ram. So I will write here Ram, relationship myself. Okay, then the father's name of Ram is Mohan. Okay, then relationship I will write here father. Clear? The mother's name of Ram is Sneha. Then I will write here relationship mother. In the same way, the name of the brothers and name of sister if they have, otherwise you don't write. So simply I told you that it is completely depending on you, who's you have to write your family members name and your relationship with them. Hope you understood this, how you have to write. Now the next one is, write the relationship between any two members of your family, such as husband wife, mother brother sister, or mother daughter. Okay, so you have to just write the names of the two family members of your family and with relationship. Suppose, as I have told you the example of Ram, so the name of two family members I wrote here Ram and Mohan. Okay, and the family relationship will be son father. Clear? Got it? In the same way, you have to write the name of your family members and the relationship of these family members. Clear? You can write your name and your mother's name. Here you will write son and mother, your name, your father's name, son, father, or your two brothers' name you can write here. You will write here brothers, or you will write here your brother and sister's name. Here you will write in the relationship brothers and sister. Whatever means, it is completely depending on you. Now the next question is, what do your family members call you lovingly? Students, in our family members, everyone had some specific name by which their family members call. Okay, like if Ram, official name of Ram in the school, he is known as Ram, but at home their parents call him Golu, Monu, Chinku, Tinku, Pinku, and all. So in the same way, at your home also you have a particular nickname by which your family members call. So you have to write your nickname. Now, do you have a pet name? You will write here yes. If you have, then you will write yes. If you don't have, just write no. How do you call your family members? Now, how do you call your family members? Look at the pictures carefully. Now, the next one is the two. Here the picture is given. Okay. Now, it is asking the two person in the picture look a lot like each other. How do you think that how they are related? If you can see this picture, you can see these two girls are mostly related to each other. So, what will be the relation between these two? Of course, they will be sisters. In the same way, if we are talking about the age group, you will see that this person and this lady has the same age group. It means that by looking the picture, we can say that this man and this lady is the father and mother of these two girls. Whereas the age group of this lady is completely different, means she is looking older than these two. That's why it may be there her these two girls grandparents or grandmother, we can say that she will be the grandmother. So we can identify the person by their age group or by their similarities, how they look like. Now the next one is what what do your family members call you lovingly? This one we have done. Now here it is asking, there any similarity between you and is there any similarity between you and any other family members in your family in the way you talk, you walk, smile, or even you look like? Okay, it is asking to you that if that are you having any similarity with your other family members. Suppose that sometimes son is completely just copy of his father, a girl is completely copy of his mother, means the activity may match the girl's activity, the daughter's activity may match with her father, or the boy's activity may match with his mother. In the same way, if you have any similarity with from your family member, suppose you have similarity, you look like your brother, you will write that yes, I have similarity with my brother. So with whom and how, you have to just write here. You will write that I have similarity with my brother. If you have similarity, then how, means you look like him. Okay, I look like him, you will write here. Then in the next way, if you have similarity with your mother, you can write here yes, I have similarity with my mother. And how, means I talk like her. Understood? Means whatever the feature you have just similar to your parents, you can write that. Now the next one is, let us know now read about the Anvari's family. The older members of Anvari's family works as the dhobi. All the members of your family lend hand in washing, drying, and ironing the clothes. Anvari and her cousins Tawfiq are also learning the work done from the family. Means in every family, the people just occupy the same profession or same occupation whatever their family members have. Otherwise they just learn a lot of the things whatever is going on in their family. So it is asking to you that is your family involved in any particular work? If yes, then what? Means if your family, suppose that you have often see that milkman, they have the family occupation, they used to just sell the milks. So in their family all the members occupy the same profession and they used to sell the milk. So if you have any kind of situation, you can write that in some family members you have seen that the father is also teacher, mother is also teacher, and their uh, offspring means their son or daughter is also maybe they are teacher. So in your family member if there is any situation like this, you will write here. and the name of occupation. Do you help your family member with the work? If you help the family members in the above work, you will write yes. Though you are very small, so I don't think that you will help in their in your family for earning something. That's why you will write here no. So this is all about the exercise. Some exercises are still left. We will discuss it into the next lecture. Till then, just do the book exercise. This exercises we have already discussed into the doubt clearing classes. I have also given the homework. So I just hope you people are doing well and you are understanding all the things. Students, learn all the things, write all the things, and try to understand all the things. Till then, have a good day. Thank you.